Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Java JDK 17.0.13 on Windows 10 or 11 or servers. First open CMD, verify whether we have Java or not, Java -- version. See, we don't have Java. Okay, let me close this one. Now go to oracle.com, click on products. On products, scroll down, see here we have the Java. This is the official website, so click on Java, then click on download, and see here the latest release is Java JDK 24. But why I am downloading and installing Java JDK 17 is because still few applications only supports Java 17. That's why I am going to download and install Java JDK 17. See here we are unable to find Java JDK 17. But click on Java archives, then see here we have the latest release of 17 version is 17.0.13, and so click on it, then scroll down, see here the version Java JDK 17.0.13. then for Windows, see here we have two types of downloads, bin exe and msi file. Either is fine, so click on either of them. Windows x64 installer, so click on it, select this. I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE, so click on download. See here now it is asking you to sign in. If you don't have account, you have to click on create account. It is free. Okay, so I have account, so see download started. Go to downloads, see here its size is 154 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Click on this bin exe file. Click on next. See, this will be the installation location. If you want to change, click on change. Otherwise, click on next. See, we have successfully installed. Close. Now open CMD. Type Java -version. See, we have successfully installed Java 17.0.13. Okay, and now we will see how to configure Java home environment variable. Click on start or go to right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, then in system variables click on new, then provide Java _home, then in variable value click on browse, go to the path where you have the Java installed, program files, Java JDK, select it, click on OK. Now go to path variable, edit, new, then percentile Java _home, then give the percentile \, then bin. Okay, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now go to the terminal. It is one more percentile. See, this is the Java home variable. Okay, now if you want to create a sample Java program, create Java file, notepad, r2 schools 1.java, click on S, go to Google, sample hello world, then click on Java hello world program, copy this script, this one, go to this notepad, paste it, save that. Now go to terminal, type Java C r2 schools 1.java. See, we have to replace this, save the file, Now again type the same Java C, Java file name. See, this time we haven't received errors, so Java, then here class name is hello world. Hello, hit enter, Java hello world. See, whatever is there in this file, the Java file, it printed. But if you change welcome to, save the file. But if we give same Java hello world, see, we got the old output, because after modification of Java program, every time we have to recompile. So give Java C hello world. It is capital. We have to give the program file name, Java file name. Now run the Java hello world. See, now output is changed. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install Java JDK 17.0.13. Then we have set the Java home environment variable. Then we have executed the sample Java program. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.